you ever had so many thoughts racing in your head that you couldn't even think straight? Like your mind is this endless, messy room where everything is scattered, and no matter how hard you try, you can't seem to organize it? Or maybe you've felt so overwhelmed, so stressed, anxious, or even lost that you just wished there was a way to make sense of it all. I know that feeling. I've been there. I'm the Dark Light Mentor, and today I'm going to share something that has transformed my mind, my emotions, and my life: journaling. Now, before you roll your eyes and think, journaling? That's just writing random stuff in a notebook. Let me tell you this. Some of the most successful and brilliant minds in history kept journals. Leonardo da Vinci, Albert Einstein, Marcus Aurelius, Benjamin Franklin. They all did it. And not just because they liked to write, but because it was a tool, a weapon for mental clarity, self-awareness, and emotional strength. And guess what? You don't have to be a philosopher, a scientist, or an artist to benefit from it. You just have to be human. So let me break it down for you. Why does journaling work? First, it clears your mind. Your brain is not designed to store everything. It's like a computer, too many open tabs, and it starts running slow. When you journal, you're downloading all those thoughts, worries, and emotions onto paper, freeing up space in your mind. You literally feel lighter after. Second, it helps you process emotions. Ever been angry, sad, or frustrated, but didn't know why? When you write, you start seeing patterns. You start realizing, oh, this is what's really bothering me. You begin to understand yourself on a deeper level. Self-awareness is power. Third, it reduces stress and anxiety. Research shows that people who journal about their thoughts and feelings lower their stress levels, boost their mood, and even strengthen their immune system. It's like therapy, but free. Fourth, it helps you solve problems faster. When a thought stays in your head, it loops. But when you write it down, you can see it from a new perspective. You start thinking logically instead of emotionally. Suddenly, what seemed like a huge problem now has a clear solution. Fifth, it tracks your growth. Imagine looking back at your journal a year from now and seeing how much you've grown. How things you once thought were the end of the world don't even matter now. Your journal becomes a blueprint of your personal evolution. Now, I know what you're thinking. Okay, but what do I actually write? Simple. Here are a few ways to get started. The brain dump method. Just write whatever's on your mind. No rules, no structure, just get it out. The gratitude list. Write down 3 things you're grateful for every day. This shifts your mindset from problems to blessings. The problem-solving journal. Got an issue? Write about it, then write possible solutions. You'll be amazed at what your mind can come up with. The Who Am I journal. Write about your fears, your dreams, what excites you, what makes you anxious. Get to know yourself. The letter to yourself method. Write to your future self or your past self. It's powerful to see how much you've changed. And listen, you don't have to be a good writer. You don't need perfect grammar, deep words, or poetic sentences. Your journal is yours. No one will read it but you. So here's my challenge for you. Start journaling today. Just for 5 minutes, write whatever comes to mind. Then, drop a comment. What's one thing that's been on your mind lately? Let's talk. And remember, your mind is a garden. Journaling is how you keep it clean. I'll see you tomorrow.